Monopoly Gamer, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the 4-player version of this game is to have the most points after the final boss fight. There is no cash. Instead, you use coins. Each player starts the game with 10 coins. Give each player a reminder card. Organize the boss cards by numerical sequence, so when placed face down on the board, the number 1 is on top. Each player places their matching character card to their token in front of them. On your turn, you roll both dice, and then you must move first, then activate the ability on the power-up die. Collect any coins on the board as you move over them, but not on the space you started on. If you pass the dice at the end of your turn before you remember to pick up coins on the board, then you missed your chance to pick up those coins and the coins remain where they are. The bidding for auctions starts at 1 coin and can increase by any amount. There are no houses or hotels. When you land on or pass go, collect 2 coins. At the end of your turn, if you landed on or passed go, flip over the top boss card and start a boss fight. Decide if you want to fight the boss. If you do, pay the price indicated on the card to the bank. If the boss card says to pay the boss, then you put the payment on the boss card instead. If you don't want to fight the boss, you may pass, and the player to the left may choose to fight or pass. Once you pass, you are not allowed to get back in on fighting the boss, but you can still fight other bosses later. When you fight a boss, roll the numbered die. If your roll is equal to or higher than the required roll on the card, then you win. Immediately carry out the bonus on the card for winning, then collect the boss card in front of you. You are not allowed to buy, sell, or trade boss cards. If you lose, then the next player may choose to fight or pass. You are allowed to fight the boss again even if you have lost against that boss already. Players keep going until someone wins or all players pass. If all players pass, then remove the boss from the game. When you land on a warp pipe, advance clockwise around the board to the next warp pipe, picking up all the coins on spaces as you pass. If you pass go, collect 2 coins and start a boss fight at the end of your turn. If you land on a coin block, roll the numbered die and collect that many coins from the bank. If you land on a thwomp, drop 2 coins on that space. When you land on a superstar, activate your character's unique ability as indicated on your character card. The price for getting out of jail is 5 coins, or you can roll a 6 instead of doubles. After your second time rolling and failing, you are released from jail for free on your next turn. While in jail, you may not participate in boss fights. If you drop coins while in jail, then they are put in the just visiting space. You may not collect coins in just visiting when you are released from jail. If you don't have enough coins to pay for something or to drop, then you must sell property you own back to the bank for its face value or to another player for an agreed upon price. Then, drop or give any of your coins you still owe. If you've sold and given away everything you have and still don't have enough, then you do nothing. You are still in the game. The power-up die lets you activate an ability on your turn. Each character gets a special boost when that character rolls a specific ability. If you fail to activate your ability before the next player rolls, then you miss your opportunity to do so. The abilities are as follows. Red Shell. Choose any player to drop 3 coins on their current space. If you're Princess Peach and you roll this, the chosen player drops 4 coins instead. Green Shell. The next player clockwise on the board from your current position drops 3 coins. If you are Yoshi, you may choose the first player counterclockwise instead. Blooper. Steal 2 coins from any player. Pow. All other players drop 1 coin. If you are Donkey Kong, then all the other players drop 2 coins instead. Coins. Collect 3 coins from the bank. If you are Mario, collect 4 coins instead. The game ends immediately after the final boss fight. Then, players calculate their score. Add up the scores on every property and boss card you have. Receive an extra 10 points for every 5 coins you have. Then, the player with the most points wins. If there is a tie, then the player with the most property and boss cards is the winner. If playing with 3 players, during setup, only use the boss cards numbered 3 through 8. Check out this video to learn how to play with 2 players, or to learn the party mode rules, check out this video.